EV Respond, safeguarding consumers using the power of electric vehicles. Energy is an essential service that is critically linked to people's health, comfort and well-being. Loss of electricity supply can have a severe impact on people's lives, particularly those in vulnerable circumstances and with certain health conditions. EV Respond will provide a revolutionary solution to this challenge that uses the power of electric vehicles to enable a community-led, rapid response service that safeguards households with individuals who have a critical reliance on their electricity supplies. As well as safeguarding the most vulnerable energy consumers, the project will also create new commercial opportunities for EV owners and fleet operators and raise awareness of electric vehicle capabilities, helping our energy networks and society accelerate towards net zero.